You know, part of living in the Pacific Northwest is shoveling, but before that happens, we gotta make good use of this driveway.
Everyone's in good spirits. Got kids out sledding. Can't move, guys.
Gently on her lap.
Day one is always the fun day, and then things start icing over and people slip on the roads and stuff, and that's not fun. Learning the ins and outs of owning a home here. You gotta keep the driveways really clean. You gotta shovel out the snow so it doesn't ice over and you can get in and out. And you gotta use salt pellets so that you can have traction when you walk.
She can't stop! Oh no!
Trying to determine whether or not to take the little guy on this.
Make sure you're on his seat.
But before that happens, we gotta go on a little test ride here.
Oh. You can't stop!
You can stop. It's good. It's good. You're up next. You wanna go? Okay. You have nothing to worry about. We've tested this already. Can you push me though? We're headed towards the rock! Did you like it? We're done shoveling the driveway and putting the salt, but I didn't know how much salt to put, so it's kind of uneven. You can tell like the salt kind of is in patches right here, but it's the first time doing it, so hey, live and you learn. We're not really like the read instructions, do research kind of people, and sometimes it comes to our demise, but we just learn by doing, you know? It's a different way of doing things. Sometimes it bites us in the butt. The other thing is we didn't buy enough salt, so we just have enough for one application, and we'll see how that holds up. There's the neighbor's driveway looking pretty flawless. And there's our driveway. Halfway done. But next time we'll get 2 bags. What do you think of the snow? Are you having fun, Zachy? Is it just so fun?